Hey guys, welcome back to another show. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cook Jamaican brown stew chicken feet. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and please remember to click on that bell to activate the notification so that you'll know when my next video is up. Let's go. So guys, after I finish chopping the chicken feet, you can choose not to, or you can choose to. This is how I like it. I went ahead and then I start by washing the chicken feet using cold tap water and vinegar, that is for extra cleaning. You can use lime juice or even pure lime. It does not matter, guys, but I love to use my vinegar. It cuts the raw taste from the chicken or whatever meat it is, and this is how I do my cleaning. I should have mentioned, for those who are not familiar with cooking chicken feet, remember to remove the nails. That's very important before cooking. And here I am displaying my natural seasoning, in which I'll be using in my chicken feet to add, that extra niceness to the flavor. And over here as well, I have some, other seasoning, which is my cayenne pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper sauce, my browning, and my Badaya complete seasoning. So now I'm gonna start by adding my seasonings to the chicken feet, guys. So again, it doesn't matter what seasoning you use, it's of your choice. What I'm doing right now is just cutting the garlic up in fine pieces so that we can get all that nice beautiful flavor from the garlic. For those who are not familiar, this browning here gives your meat a nice flavor. So you can go ahead and use this one, or you can choose your browning of your choice. It doesn't matter. So guys, at this point, I am basically slipping a glove onto my hand because I'm going to be using this hand to rub the seasoning onto the meat. After done with seasoning up the meat, we're going to leave it to marinate for at least 1 hour. So see you in an hour, guys. So guys, it has been over an hour now since the chicken feet has been marinated, and I'm about to pour some olive oil into this pressure cooker here I have on the stove, and we're gonna add our chicken feet, right after which we're gonna start the pressuring process. Guys, you can choose not to pressure your chicken feet, but for a faster process, this is why I'm doing it this way. But you can go ahead and do it in, the normal cooking way. It doesn't matter. It's just that it's going to take longer than usual. Guys, I love to leave my chicken feet at least for 5 minutes to saute before I start adding any water to the pressure cooker. While that is taking place, guys, I love to go ahead and, flip my chicken feet over using a spoon or whatever cooking utensil, so that the chicken feet will not be sticking to the pot. Add cover. After the sauteing process is over with, we're gonna go ahead and lift our cover off our pressure cooker. Use a spoon just to check if there is any sticking to the bottom of the pressure cooker. At this point, I love to check the texture of the chicken feet. As you can see, it's beautiful. I love this brown. It is very pretty, and we are ready to go ahead and add our boiling hot water to the pressure cooker. As you can see here, I already went ahead and poured some in the container which I had the chicken feet before. So we're gonna add this to the pressure cooker and cover so that we can get the pressuring process going. Guys, I went ahead and I poured the water up to the first line in the pressure cooker, and we're gonna pressure this chicken feet for 45 minutes, the longest. So guys, my 45 minutes is up and I'm back. I went ahead and turned off the stove, and I went ahead and leave for 50 minutes to cool down for my pressure cooker to be okay to open. And as you can see here, I am just, turning my chicken feet using my spoon, and I'm basically applying pressure to the chicken feet by checking to see if the chicken feet is cooked. And guys, yes, it is cooked. And what I'm doing here, I'm just breaking off a little piece to taste to see, what else I need to add to the chicken feet to finish with the cooking process. Here I'm about to taste, and guys, this is delicious. Oh my goodness. So guys, I'm just gonna add, some extra flavor to the chicken feet. So I went ahead and I got myself some carrots, onions, and green bell pepper cut up, and we're gonna add that to our chicken feet. And then we're gonna stir that in. Guys, look how beautiful that looks. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is basically add some water to the chicken feet, and this is to help with making the gravy. And I'm going to go ahead and add some ketchup as well. And what the ketchup does is basically add thickness for the gravy. And here you have it, guys, our brown stew chicken feet ready to be served with whatever choice food, but preferred white rice.